someone that make no mistake. All I am reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gonna make a move. Oh, we're come away with me.
Yeah, other than smelling good, I think, gaya na sabi ko kanina, as much as possible, make someone happy, and you know, I know na hindi sa lahat ng oras pagiging happiness yung nandyan, dun yung struggles na natin, but still, you gotta be there whenever like he or she needs you. So yeah, support talaga, tsaka communication always. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. You know, every day yung person talaga sobrang daming kailangan matutunan. Even like professional athletes, professional singers, dancers, araw-araw meron pa talagang mga bagong skills na kailangan matutunan. And for me, there are a lot of things that, you know, gusto ko rin matutunan. I learned to smile often. Kasi dito talagang mapipilitan. Joke lang. But, you know, it gives so much, you know, warmth pag nag-smile ka talaga. I mean, I learned that so much, but ako kasi, hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na pala-smile eh. Yeah, but, you know, seeing my fans there, nakaka-smile ko kasi, you know, the support, the love, yung warmth ng love na binibigay nila sa'yo. It gives you, ano ba tawag dito?
Very comforting na agad eh.
Yeah, it's, parang hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. So, hindi mo pigilan mag-smile ka na lang na parang out of nowhere. But, you know, it just means that I'm happy to see them. So, yeah. Smile talaga, yung pag-smile talaga.
Yes, and we are